New developments in the Supreme Court Justice Samuel Alito flag controversy.
NBC's Hallie Jackson has the latest.
Another Supreme Court controversy this morning involving Justice Samuel Alito over a new report of a flag flying outside his New Jersey beach house, according to the New York Times. The so-called Appeal to Heaven flag, a green pine tree on a white background. A symbol carried by some rioters outside the Capitol on January 6th. You see it here and here. The Times citing 3 photographs it obtained from outside Alito's property from last summer, along with accounts from a half-dozen neighbors and passersby, as well as this Google Street View picture from last August. The flag, rooted in the Revolutionary War, has more recently become a symbol of support for Christian nationalism and for Donald Trump. But now, renewed calls from the Democratic chair of the Senate Judiciary Committee for Alito to recuse himself from cases related to the 2020 election, calling the incident yet another example of apparent ethical misconduct. Other Democrats agree.
At a very minimum, he has to recuse himself from these cases now coming before the court that will determine whether or not Trump is held accountable.
It really encapsulates all of the problems that we've had with this rogue Supreme Court and its refusal to accept any rule of law.
It's the second time in less than a week Alito's faced questions after the justice confirmed another provocative flag, an upside-down American flag, flew outside his Northern Virginia home in the days after January 6th, telling the Times, "I had no involvement whatsoever in the flying of the flag," and that it was briefly placed by his wife in response to a neighbor's use of objectionable and personally insulting language on yard signs. The upside-down flag, long considered a distress signal, but it's been adopted by some Trump supporters backing the former president's election fraud lies. Some Republicans, after that report, dismissing calls for recusal.
I don't think he should be recused. Yeah, I think it was a mistake, but I'll leave it up to them to explain it.
That was Hallie Jackson reporting.